We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make perfect scrambled eggs. First, heat the pan over medium heat, not too hot. Then crack 2 eggs. Add a dash of pepper and salt. Whisk those eggs really well. And take a look, whisk a little more. And back to the pan. Let's test the heat by sprinkling a little water on the pan. Watch it sizzle. Now add the oil. So heat the pan, then the fat, see it shimmer, so it's ready, and then the food. Add the eggs. You can see the eggs are already starting to cook on the side, so using your spatula, pull it away from the side, because that's going to cook the fastest. Gently stir them together, and remove them from the heat when they're still a little bit moist. And always, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste. Check out the recipe in the description below.